Assalamu alaikum students, that is question number 3 of exercise number 13b and that is from D1. And in this question, this question is basically related to the parallelogram, and the question is saying in the figure shows a parallelogram ABCD, where AB is equals to 10 centimeter and BC is equals to 6 centimeter. AB is equals to 10 centimeter and BC is equals to 6 centimeter, and DE, that DE is basically the perpendicular on BC, and that is the height of the parallelogram, that is 9 centimeter. And then after they are asking to find the area as well as the perimeter. So we have one of the formula for area of parallelogram. For the area of parallelogram, the formula is base multiplied by height. And base, which one is the base? We have to see the length on which the perpendicular is standing. This one is also a length, this one is also a length. So if this one is 10, then this one is also 10 centimeter. And if this one is 6, then this one is also 6 centimeter, because according to the property of the parallelogram, these two sides are parallel and equal, and these two sides are parallel and equal. And what about the height of the parallelogram? On which side the height or the perpendicular is standing, that will be the H. So B will be 6 and H will be 9 centimeter. So it will be 9 centimeter multiplied by 6 centimeter. Then A will be 54 centimeter square, that is the area of a given question. And then they are asking to find the perimeter, and the perimeter is very simple, because perimeter means just the sum up of all sides. So for perimeter, that is 10 AB plus BC plus DC and plus AD. These are the sides. So we can say 10 centimeter plus 6 centimeter plus again 10 centimeter and plus 6 centimeter. So it would be, so the perimeter of the given figure is 32 centimeter. That is the simple calculation, that we are adding all the sides.